So, first of all, you put your mouth as if you were going to whistle. Like this. Then you leave your mouth exactly in the same position and you try to make the E sound, but you keep your mouth in the whistling position, okay? So you are starting to approaching the U sound. Now, while doing this, you exaggerate it by pushing on your lower teeth with your tongue. I cannot show you because it's inside my mouth. And you put your lips even more forward. Like this, as if you're trying to kiss someone that you really like, okay? So you will have something like this. Okay? And like this, you can approach the U sound. Légumes, sucre, supermarché. Ok? Très bien.